Let's take a look at configurable portal widgets. And this is the Portal Data List Widget used by customer service management and CRM in industry. This widget can be used on any table. This widget is configurable. I'm logged in as an admin, or it could be a business user, and control right click to see instance options. This configuration is in JSON, and that means that we have a parameter on the left and we have a value on the right. In this example, we're looking at all cases, but later on you'll see how we can filter that list. Here you can see we're showing all cases, and the category for all cases is here. The table is the customer service case table. It can be any table that you want to see here, including sales and order management orders. Filter here is no filter, where we say product anything. This list doesn't have a filter. The view that we're using is a predefined case view. The record view page is a page that we've already created for CSM to show cases or tickets. And then the primary column that we are showing in column 1 is the case number. Configuring these options here, we're using JSON format. And that really is for a list. If I checked dynamic data list, then you wouldn't use the JSON, you would just use a URL. Okay, so next let's take a look at additional parameters that can be set. So the filter now will be the product sys-ID, meaning we want to see in this list all cases with the same product ID. So let me go ahead and change it back to anything. Next, in order to save some time, I have some JSON that I'd like to cut and paste in here so you can see the various ways that I'm filtering. Now with these additional JSON parameters and values, we're looking at what are the cases awaiting, and that is mapped directly to the state in the case task table. And the state of 18 is cases awaiting. The next thing here is cases by priority. And for that, we're going to break the priority down into what we call subcategories. So within priority, we have critical, high, and moderate. And with that, we're going to add the subfilters. Some additional configurations here is the way that this widget is laid out. It can be in a list view, as you've seen here, or a card view. You can configure the number of rows. Here, I'm just going to save everything. And now you can see on the left, the filters that have been applied. Cases waiting on you was that case state that we filtered first. And then the second one was cases by priority. And you can see the subcategories up here at the top. When you look at the list, you see critical, because critical is selected. If you select any of the other subcategories, they will show as well. All of the configurable portal widgets were meant for business users to configure with a no-code or using very simple parameters like we've seen here with the JSON, all without customization and all with easy to upgrade, because these are all configurations.